Hey loves, I hope you all have had a wonderful time celebrating this holiday season. Welcome to my last makeup tutorial of the year. Today's video is a haul in action featuring limited edition products from Profusion Cosmetics as well as Real Techniques. The first three items in today's haul are these 9-pan multi-finish eyeshadow palettes by Profusion Cosmetics. They are part of the Profusion 2018 holiday collection, and I purchased them from Walgreens for $5 each. To start off the eye makeup, I am taking my E.L.F. eye crease brush and taking the matte orange shade and applying it in and above my crease. Now I'm applying this shimmery gold shade to my lid using my Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush. I'm using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone as well as blend out the edge of that orange eyeshadow using the matte cream shade in the palette. Now I'm going to further highlight underneath my brow, specifically under my arch down the tail of my brow with that shimmery champagne shade using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I purchased the Nicka Microfine Artliner from the beauty supply store for $2. It has a very thin applicator, which is great for precise liner placement. Now I am not the best at doing winged liner. However, I love doing winged liner, or at least attempting winged eyeliner. Therefore, I'm always trying to find that innovative eyeliner that will help me on my quest for the perfect wing. When I saw the Nicka Microfine Artliner display, the beauty supply store I go to has they have testers, so I was able to open it up and see the applicator as well as swatch it. I like the formula of this eyeliner. It's not too wet, it's not too dry. I didn't feel that it tugged on my eye. Let's see, what else? I like the finish of the eyeliner. It's not super shiny and it's not like a flat matte either. And I think the applicator, with it being as thin and precise as it is, definitely helped me with my eyeliner. No, it did not come out perfect, but I think it came out pretty good, and I definitely recommend it. I'm trying out the new LA Colors DramatiLash Defining Mascara. I picked it up from Dollar Tree for $1. It has a nice tightly wound slender wand, which is great for maximizing the volume and length of the lashes. I really like this mascara. I like the tightly wound wand. I feel that it really got in there and coated each and every lash and made them look really nice overall. And it's a super affordable mascara. It's only $1, so of course I recommend it. I finally got a new primer. I bought the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer from the Shop Miss A website for $1. And on the back it says the Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer minimizes shine and creates a smooth and matte canvas for flawless and long-lasting makeup application. I was watching a woman's makeup tutorial, and in her video she stated that she only applies primer to the places that she needs it. And I was thinking that's a pretty good idea because, you know, it keeps you from wasting product. So since I have oily skin, I'm just applying it to the places where I notice my makeup breaks up throughout the day, which is my forehead, my nose, and the sides of my nose. Out of all the items in this haul, I think I am the most excited for these brand new limited edition Real Techniques mini travel brushes. I did a video on some of these brushes either last year or the year before, and that should be in the top right of your screen if you're interested in checking that out. The two in the outer clear packaging are from Walgreens, and I purchased them for $5 each, as well as the one in the white packaging in the center. That was $5 as well, and I purchased that one from Walmart. I applied my foundation and concealer off camera to save time. Now I'm going to contour using the Real Techniques Mini Multitask Brush. This brush has a nice fluffy dome shape and the bristles aren't that dense, so I'm assuming it's going to give me a really pretty airbrush finish. The Mini Multitask Brush did give me a nice soft blended finish with very little effort. I love how my contour came out. The placement was great, not too high, and it didn't go too low either. And it's really soft. Today I am using the AOA Studio Perfect Blush in the shade Auburn. It is a really pretty deep orange and I thought it would go perfect with this makeup look. And I'm using the Real Techniques Mini Medium Blush Brush to apply it. This has a rounded dome shape. It's really fluffy and at first I thought it would have been too big, but I actually like how it applied my blush. Again, it gave a nice well blended finish with minimum effort. I'm using my AOA Studio F19 to apply the LA Colors highlighter in the shade Shine Bright. It is so pretty, but I did go a little heavy-handed, but I'm going to use the last Real Techniques brush that I hauled to blend everything together. I'll be using the mini buffing brush to blend in my face makeup. This brush out of the three that I purchased is the most dense, and this one also has a flat top, which is good for buffing and blending in makeup to make it look more seamless. The mini buffing brush did a pretty good job at blending everything together, and since it was slightly more dense with a flat top, buffing in the makeup to get rid of harsh edges was really easy. Now I'm going to finish off the eye makeup. Going back to that matte orange, I'm now placing it on my lower lash line using my AOA E115. I'm lining my waterline using the Nicka 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. The last step for the eyes is to highlight the inner corner of my eye, and I'm applying the really pretty orange copper shade from the palette using my E.L.F. small smudge brush. Here's my completed eye makeup. I love how it came out. You loves know that orange, golden, coppery shades are right up my alley, so of course I had to get this palette. I think it's a great value for $5. It has nice pigmentation and texture. Lastly, for the lips, I applied the Nicka Whipped Lip Gloss in the shade Sepia, and this was $3 from the beauty supply store. It is a really pretty shade of brown, and I like the finish of it. It's not a lip gloss, however. This is a liquid lipstick. The one thing I do not like about this product is that it does not dry down completely, and your lips will stick together. Here is my final look. Now you can see how the lipstick pairs with the eye makeup. I think they go very well together with all of the warm tones going on in this look. I absolutely love it. As far as my haul is concerned, I like everything that I featured in today's video, but my favorite products definitely have to be the Nicka Artliner. I love that eyeliner pen. It was so easy for me to attempt to do a winged eyeliner. And the Real Techniques mini travel brushes, I love all of those brushes as well. And those are the only Real Techniques brushes that I have. The limited edition travel ones that are $5 during the Christmas season, I definitely recommend them. All of the products that I used to create this look will be down below in the description, so go ahead and check that out. Also, I would love it if you could drop me a comment down below telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye loves!